Well, I had a bite on here, but I don't know if he's still on. Nope. Took me in the weeds and let himself go. Well, I just stopped off on this spot on the way back because I was tired of getting rained on. But like there was one more out there wanting to play. Oh, let himself go. Alright, well, I got another one on here. He took me right into those lily pads. Sugar. Nope, we got him. Got him with some salad. First bite of the day. First bite period. Alright, this is our first fish period today. Tough bite today. Let's see if it picks up any. Alright, got another little jumper. There we go. Okay. Just lip him for a second. I want to fish in there, so I don't want to go too far with this guy in there. Trying to be a little stealthy here. Okay. So. Hey, little fella. Probably a little pound and a halfer. Alright, a little better than the last guy. Maybe up to a pound and a half, or maybe. Let's see what else we can pull out of here for you. Alright. Got us another one here, up in the pads. There we go. Alright, there we go, another guy. A little better than the last couple. A little longer anyway. Yeah, I had a little fella bite and he jumped off. Alright, got us another decent bite here. Decent sized fella. And we'll grip him with the lipper because he's taking my bait and put the hook in there somewhere. So there we go. Alright. There's that last fella there. Alright. Another little fella here up by the boat. Or kayak. I always call it the boat. My boat, I guess. Little guy. Alright, that's a little tyke there. I don't even think he weighs in at a pound. Someday though. Got some nice colors on him. Pretty. He just spit it right there. Alright. Got us a pretty good size one here. I'm just trying to back myself out of where I am. So there's a big rock there. I'm going to lip this guy so we can weigh him up. Solid. Not the biggest one, but definitely solid. Well, not as big as I thought, but 2.62. That's alright. We'll take it. A lot more sturdy than the others. Alright, little fella. Little tyke. Little baby. Alright, got another one right up by the boat here. A little, yeah. A little bigger than the last fella, but not much. A little bit. Yeah. Alright, little baby. Little itty bitty. But hey, if those are the ones that are biting, then I guess I gotta get the little bitties. Alright, I got one that went down for the weeds. Ah, Mr. Pickerel's back. Mr. Pickerel back. So for all of you who ask me, there we go, why I use steel leaders, that's why. Pickerel are everywhere up here by me. Alright, got a nice hit here. Right up by the kayak here. Oh, yeah, that was a good hit. He inhaled the whole thing. There we go. Nice little bite there. Alright, there's that last little fella. Decent. Good hit though. Got some good energy to him, even though it's small. Got a good bite here. Oh yeah. That's a nice size one. Nice size fella there. Splash him in the face. There we go. Alright. There we go. There's our last little fella. Nice specimen. We're on about the same size, give or take an ounce. I'm gonna whip him because he's through the lip there. There we go. There's that last little fella. Probably a pounder. Alright. Ah, we got ourselves a pickerel. Hello, old friend. How you doing? Pickerel, just keep the day going, that's all. Tear up your gear. Oops. Well, he let himself go. That's cool. Since he's flopping around in the boat now. We'll get you out. So, let's see if I can show you this. This is what I'm competing with right now. Can you see all the turbulence? This is a spawning of, they call them the alewives, little fish. You can't really fish for them. They're so small, they're not here to eat. But they're just spawning everywhere. And they're also food for bass and pickerel and stuff, so that's what I'm trying to compete with right now. Alright, well, I fooled him. Hopefully I didn't mess with his gills. There we go. Fooled one. Haha. This guy's bleeding pretty good here. We'll just do a quick... Yeah, we won't. We'll get him back. Just let him get back. GoPro, stop recording. Okay. Got us another bite on here. Oh, he's hiding under the kayak. It's okay. I got you. We'll get you in, we'll get you out. That's how we play it. Come in, stop, take a picture. This guy's been chomped on or something here. Alright, there's that behemoth. Not really. That little fella. Alright. Well, we got one down here up in the weeds right here. Another little fella. There's our little fella, little tyke. Thanks for playing. Get him out of the weeds. Yay, we accomplished both. Net off and got him out of the weeds. Ow. 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 There we go. And there's that last little fella. Still hoping for a nicer one. Had that one nice one earlier. Would be nice to get one or two more nice sized guys, but alright, it's gonna hit me right up by the kayak here. We'll get you. We'll get you. There we go. Alright, another little fella. Maybe 1.25 pounds. And this is what they're hitting on. So if you saw my video on gear, you saw these. So this is 3.5-inch paddle tail. Probably a 4.0 hook, the spring lock, and this little rubber piece that attaches to give it a little flasher. Alright, we got us a big crappie here. Look at that guy. I don't catch many of these. They're cool looking. I love their colors. They just got some of the prettiest colors. Yeah. They're awesome looking fish. Alright, so we got us a big crappie. There's some fun looking colors on those fish. I like them. Pretty big guy. I don't catch many of these, so we'll let him go back.